Girelli inside. Fumagalli will track it down. Nobody home. Guy to Lewis. Oh, that's
Grabe ang match-up na ito mga ka-sports. Winasak ng Italy ang mga Kiwis na kung saan lumaban hanggang dulo ang Tall Blacks. Alam naman natin na nag-champion sila sa FIBA Asia Cup pero ngayon na outplayed talaga sila. Halika tignan natin mga ka-sports ang ilang highlights ng kanilang laro.
big win over Egypt. Brazil winners over the Guy will get a clean look. Got to Lewis. Oh, that's Italy out of the gates fast. Off the Mascarelli. They'll set up top. They'll get it inside. Full face. A win for New Zealand. Inside they go. Magali. Oh. Flits a pair. Martin. Katonji moving those hips. He's big and he's Girelli. Inside, Fumagalli will track it down. Nobody home. Guy. Martin. They need Flavio. Guy creates some space. Or gets it down on the block, I should say. How many of those have we had today? That's like 3 or 4. Count it. Oh, to Tui. And they collect the loose ball. Dangerous pass. Now, setting up. Ooh, bullet pass. And will penetrate. Oh. Oh, dime time. I can say it's over, right? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. And New Zealand look like imposters in this game. Top 2 from each group advance.
So ayun na nga mga ka-sports, na outplayed talaga ng Italy ang mga Kiwis. Pero sige lang, tignan natin kung ano ang susunod na laban between these teams. Kaya abangan natin dito sa ating munting channel. Like, share, and subscribe at pahit ng bell para updated tayo pareho sa mundo ng basketball world. Laban Pilipinas, puso, so paano? Ingat po kayo. Mga ka-sports, kung hilig ninyong bumili ng mga Gilas jersey, Gilas accessories at mga gamit na pang basketball, habang nanunood po kayo sa aking mga videos, kindly check this basket on this lower part ng ating video at magpa-pop up yung ating mga items sa gilid. Mga legit po yung mga items dyan, and see to it po na makabili po kayo ahead of time kasi meron po yung mga discounts and mga promos depende po sa seller. And also, kunting suporta din as a content creator po. Salamat!